Hi, welcome back to Lecture's Kitchen. Happy Sunday to all. Today I am going to show you a new dish which you may know or may not know. First of all, I would like to thank all the subscribers, those who have given me a thumbs up, a like and good comments. So let's go to the kitchen corner. As I said that today I am going to make sabudana khichdi. That generally we make rava khichdi, semia khichdi. But today I am going to make sabudana khichdi. Sabudana we say as javarsi. You can tell as maavu javarsi. இது வந்து மாவு ஜவரிசி வத்தல் ஜவரிசி இல்லை வத்தல் நைலான் ஜவரிசிங்கிறது ஷைனிங்காக இருக்கும் இது வந்து மாவு ஜவரிசி சொல்லணும் now let's look at the ingredients this is the sabudana unsoaked one jeera just a small piece of chili curd I'll tell you why we use curd there is a tip regarding this I have boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut into cubes. I have taken 200 grams of peanut and roasted them well for half kg of sabudana. Along with that, I have taken 4 chilies and I made 2 dishes from this. One is sabudana khichdi and vada. Grind the peanut and chili coarsely and not into a fine powder. This sabudana is available in all the department stores like D-Mart, Big Bazaar and so many shops. Generally what we do is this is not like owl or something. If you just, for owl what you have to do is wash it and soak it and just within 5 minutes you have to drain the water. But for sabudana has to be soaked for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. But before soaking, whenever you take the amount of sabudana, water should be little above the sabudana. See, I'll just show you how to soak. I have taken this much of sabudana. I am just pouring the water. See, this should be, the sabudana should immerse and only this much water should be above the sabudana. You just leave this for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you just drain this water. After draining the water, close it with a lid and leave it for 1.5 to 2 hours. I'll show you one which I have already done. See, it should be like this. There should be no lumps. See, you can see how it is non-sticky. This I have soaked for 1.5 to 2 hours. I had drained the water. After that, I just closed it with a lid and I have taken it. Take a pan, add 5 tablespoons of oil. I am going to put jeera, a piece of chili. Already I have grinded chili and groundnut together. This is the boiled potato. Vega 3 medium sized small potato. Cut panni. Peel panni, cut panni, cubes la vechirken. I'm going to add this potato. We just give a stir 3 to 4 minutes. See, now the potatoes are fried well. Now I am going to add this sabudana to this. Just a small tip regarding this. If you feel that there are lumps and this is sticking, my brother's wife gave me this tip. Add 2 to 3 spoons of curd and stir it well. To this, add the powdered groundnut. Salt according to your taste. Keep mixing. Let us see after 5 minutes. Now, sabudana khichdi is ready. Garnish it with coriander leaves. In case you need little crispy, just close the lid and leave it for 2 minutes. Now our sabudana khichdi is ready. I am going to show you one more dish with the same ingredient. I am using the same ingredients, the sabudana, the roasted peanut with chili, mashed potato. Potato there I just use as a cube. Here I have mashed the potato and I have added with sabudana and just sprinkle little water, salt, and I have just made it like a ball. Should not just apply little oil to your hand. It should not stick to your hand. Should make a ball like this. And now I am going to make vada. That is vadai of this. See, just a little press. Your vada is ready. I have made these vadas and few balls. Whatever shape you want, you can make it. I kept it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. When you fry these vadas, it will be crispy. Now I'll show you. Wait for 10 more minutes. Let this oil settle down. கொஞ்சம் சத்தெல்லாம் போனோடனே வடை வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா மொறுமொறுன்னு ஆகணும். 10 நிமிஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். See, this is a stage where you have to remove. இந்த மாதிரி ஆனோடனே எடுக்கணும். உங்களுக்கு வந்து இவ்வளோ டீப் ஃப்ரை ஒன்ஸ் இன் வே டீப் ஃப்ரை பண்ண பரவாயில்ல, குழந்தைங்களுக்கு செஞ்சுக்கலாம், நம்ம கூட சாப்பிடலாம். ஒன்ஸ் இன் வே அடிக்கடி வச்சுக்கூடாது, நாட் ஆல்வேஸ். இந்த மாதிரி வேண்டாம், இஃப் யூஆர் ஹெல்த் கான்ஷியஸ், இவ்வளோ டீப் ஃப்ரை வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு தோணித்துன்னா யூ கேன் ஹேவ் அ ஷாலோ ஃப்ரை. தவாவில் வைக்கலாம், இல்லை நான்ஸ்டிக்கில் வச்சுட்டு ஜஸ்ட் லைட்டாக கொஞ்சமாக எண்ணெய் வச்சு மாதிரி ரோஸ்ட் பண்ணி மூடி வச்சுட்டு ரோஸ்ட் பண்ணி யூ கேன் ஹேவ் இட். இல்லை பரவாயில்ல இந்த மாதிரி சாப்பிடணும்னு தோன்றுவா, இந்த மாதிரி சாப்பிடலாம். Sabudana khichdi, that is upma plus the snacks. Sabudana vada with ketchup goes yummy. Please taste. You prepare and taste it, then you'll never leave it. And I think that every week, at least not less than 10 days or something, you'll be preparing this. Definitely you'll prepare this for your children, and definitely they'll be demanding for sabudana vada. Children will demand and you yourself will like it. And one more small tip I would like to tell. Just when you soak the sabudana for 10 minutes, drain the water. You can put it in a casserole, close it and leave it for 1.5 to 2 hours. வச்சுட்டாக்க அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் எடுத்து பார்த்தா நல்லா உதிராக இருக்கும் அண்ட் ரியலி நல்லா இருக்கும். இன்கேஸ் அப்படி உதிரியாக இல்லை, if you feel that it is sticky அப்படின்னா add little curd, 2 spoons of curd when you are just mixing. Definitely you try without fail. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.